we have something like the genetic coding of something like either 24 different humanoid species locked into our particular DNA in the junk part of the DNA.
Mm.
So a lot of times, a lot of the genetic experimentation being carried out, and a lot of these Hollywood actors and these people who are feeding off on the so-called reptilians,
Mm-hmm.
they're actually going after the blood because of what it is that our blood can
Yeah.
alchemize and do for us. And our blood essentially is the way that they go into different dimensions. That's why they hyperadrenalize the blood through fear. And in the hyperadrenalization of the blood, most people don't understand that when you raise Kundalini, you are automatically hyperadrenalizing the blood.
Mm.
And what you're doing is you're actually going into a place of, there's a part in there in your brain that what is that in trypto in tryptamine or something like that. I forgot the name of the actual molecule that's created in your brain. It is the most intense hallucinogen, and no plant subsedes this. You can artificially do it in a lab, but your body has the highest form, and it's excreted at the point of death. That's why sometimes there's this ecstatic feeling of people who you see lying in their deathbed. There's this smile that comes on their face after they take their breath, the last breath. There's this, and it releases this particular, I think the body was created, the avatar was created to kind of at the last minute to give this ecstatic feeling because of the secretion of this N-tryptamine. I forgot the name of it, but they know, my student knows what it is about. But when you secrete that, you raise your Kundalini, you are secreting all of these things, and that becomes the doorway, the chemical doorway that then lights the lamp of God that taketh away the sins of the world. And the word is not God, it's the lamp of Gad, G-A-D. The word Gad is the Hebrew name for the head. So when they say the lamp of God in the Bible, they're actually twisting it. It's the lamp of Gad that taketh away the sins of the world. The lamp is the pineal. And they're attacking that. And they're attacking the pituitary. They're attacking the bloodstream because that is the stream of consciousness, the liquid crystal that gives you your escape route out of here.